adventure this week. Today, me and Henry over here.
Hi!
We are on a road trip. We're going to pick up a car. I've got a car I'm going to do a resto mod on. It's a little bit of a hot rod. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'll show you more about the car when we get there, and show you the car, what it is and what kind of shape it's in. We'll do a walk around and everything. So we're in the truck. We got the trailer in tow, and we are cruising. So we've been driving about 3 hours, 3.5 hours now. And we got another couple hours to drive, so it's exciting. It's going to be a fun project. This one's not going to be a quick one or two video project. This is going to be a couple years, so this will be a fun one. Stick around. We're going to show you more as we go. But for now, we're going to enjoy the drive and hang out. We're just going to put the camera up here so people can see it.
Yeah, now they can see the scenery.
All right, we made it. So I did a little bit of weed whacking to get to the car, but this is the got. It is a 65 or 66 Sunbeam Alpine is what it is. No, it's not a Tiger. It is an Alpine. Got a square corner hood. That's the car we're picking up. It's obviously a bit of a pile, but we're gonna make it run and drive. So we'll do a walk around of it here. I gotta get back so you can see it, but it's in rough shape. No glass in it at all. I don't believe there's glass in the doors. No, there's no glass in the doors. There's a bunch of parts inside. Looks like there's an extra hood in there. Let's see if we can get this hood open here. All right. Got the hood open. Yeah, it's a little 4-cylinder engine in there right now, but it's going to be getting a 4 to 5 liter V8. So, as the genie from Aladdin says, itty bitty living space. So there's not going to be a lot of space in there once I get that engine in there. So this is all got to be cut out here to get the engine in. I've got to build a new front end, so new steering, new front suspension components to get that engine in there. All right, so yeah, I got my work cut out for me. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's get this hood prop rod put up here, or we call it a bonnet because it's a British sports car. Yeah, but amazingly, there's 3 tires that have air in them. 4th tire, I hope it takes air. But yeah, this will be a really fun project. So we're gonna work on getting this tire aired up, and then hook onto it. We're gonna drag it. Here, let me turn around. Drag it out this way, out here onto the road, and then I'm gonna get my trailer turned around, and then once it's on the road, little 2-track road, and then we'll pull it up onto the trailer. So that's the item of business to do. So here we go. So we got the air compressor pumping up the tire. In case you're wondering, that's a little $30 Harbor Freight air compressor. I love them. They work awesome. Had a lot of them. They work great. Occasionally they'll fail, but not very often. For the price, good tool to have. So that's going to put some air in that tire. The other 3 tires have air in them. And then we're going to hook onto this and we're going to drag it backwards out of here. Get down on the road. So that's what we're doing. All right, car's all loaded up. We took the trunk lid off of it. We took the top off of it, because we don't want to lose that while we're driving down the highway. It's a cute little car. Do a little bit of walk around here. It just looks good. Just looks good. It's my dad. So there you go. Fun little car, fits right on that trailer. Nice, I did that axle flip, dropped it down real low, so it was able to go up those ramps really well. So yeah, a lot of cleaning to do, but overall this is going to be a fun project. It's going to be a lot of work. We're all strapped down in the front. We're going to get everything all buttoned back up, get it loaded in there, and yeah, hit the road. So it'll be fun. Back from picking up the Sunbeam. We got home about 1:30 in the morning. It was a long drive. So got it all picked up. We got it unloaded off the trailer. It is in the yard. There's a lot of work. There's a lot of work to be done on it. As you can tell, there's no mirrors. There's no door handles. There's no interior. But that's all part of the project. It's going to be a lot of fun. So continue watching, keep up. Yeah, thanks for watching.